I'm going to move it back for right-handed use. Cure light, that's why. Cure light should never cross from the front. It should always go from the back. Have you found that, Dr. Shaw? Do you have a cure light on your workstation? No? Okay. And yours, no? No? So you don't need to worry about this. The cure light, the way it's hooked up is a little bit different. So when they're doing the conversion, it actually needs to cross in the back if you have these. But here, so once you take out all of your suctions, now this channel can circulate around. I can push this all the way over to this side. Now I can put my utilities back on. And I would actually have, if you can live with one air water syringe, do it, because it will decrease the instances of hosing. This would go here, and now this guy is going to cross all the way over here for right-handed use. Now my trash, it's going to go right into this dropped area here.